Hello everyone, today we will learn about Python loop. First, we will discuss about one problem. A summer have 5 students in our class, and today I want to send a reminder email to each of you. So I need to write my email 5 times like this. I will use print and statement A. Please send me your exercise, and I have to copy and paste it 4 times to get the 5 email like this. This code is very ugly and waste a lot of my time. If I have 100 students, I have to write that statement 100 times. So how can I do it in a better way? Fortunately, Python provides loop statement to help us do it. Loop help us to repeat it often in better way. That statement look like this. I will use for to loop through run of my 5 students and do the same action. This code provides me the same result with the first one, but this code is much softer, nicer, and easier to manage. Yeah, let's jump into the detail. So, what is a for loop in Python? A for loop is a control flow statement that allows you to loop through a sequence of items such as a list, a string, or a run. This is Python syntax of it. It will start with a keyword for and the iterating variable, and next a keyword in and follow up with a sequence variable. The first line will end up with a columns, and next line will start with index and follow up by all of statement you want to do. In this syntax, an iterating variable is a control variable that contains each item in the sequence as a loop iterate over it. And sequence is a list of items that you want to iterate over. The statement is the action that you want to run in each iteration. Now we will back to the above example. In this example, we use I as iterating variable, and we will look through run of 4 students. Run 5 here means the sequence of number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The action is the print. Now I will add the iterating variable I to the print statement to explain about loop operation. Let's see. I will add I here. You can see this statement will execute 5 times, and in each iteration, the iterating variable I will take the value of each item in the sequence from 0 to 4. Yeah, and for other purpose, we also can optimize that loop. Like I want to send this email with student name for more friendly, so I can add my student name here, and instead of look through run of index, I will look through run name of my student, and I will ask my student name through iterating variable like this. Hello, my student I. Please send me your exercise. Let's see the result. It looks prettier. Now we'll go to a more interesting example. Imagine you are working at a data analyst in an F&B company. You are given a data set containing a list of number of orders in a week from Monday to Sunday, and a list of number of workers each day. The manager wants to know the workload for one worker of each day in order to make decisions on allocating human resources. The data set you are given is like this. The first list is the number of orders, and the second list is the number of workers. The result your manager want to see is look like this. The workload from Monday to Sunday. The workload of Monday can be computed by dividing the number of orders in Monday by the number of workers, and the same for other day. With this output, your manager can decide to add new worker on Saturday and Sunday because current workload is high, and also reduce the number of workers on Thursday. Yes, but now let's use Python loop to generate this output. This is my solution. First, we need to create the empty list to store the result, and then we will look through the index of 7 days in a week. As each day, we get the data from number of orders and number of workers, and then compute the workload. After that, we will add the computed workload to the result list with a pen function. And finally, after the loop, we can get the complete result and show it to your manager. Next, I want to introduce two important commands when using for loop in Python. They are press and continue. First, with press, you can use press statement to exit a loop earlier. Let's jump right into example to see how it works. In the same context as the above example, but now your manager want to see the work loss of each day until they having work loss higher than 70 orders per worker to reallocate right away. So we can look through the work loss of each day and stop when we encounter the value larger than 70. We stop loop early using if and press statement. This is my solution. First, we will use for loop to print on the work loss of 7 days like this. And then I will add the if statement to check if work loss is higher than 7 or not, like this. If this happens, I will add press to stop my loop earlier. Now the output just print the work loss of first 3 days because the when day work loss is 76, it's larger than 70. And second command is continue. We can use continue statement to skip over current iteration of the loop and move on to the next one. Let's see example. Now your manager would like to know which day having heavy work loss more than 70 in order to reallocate better resources. So he or she just want to see the day and skip the others. To do that, we can use continue statement to skip the unnecessary days. Let's see my code. With that requirement, before print work loss of each day, I will add if statement to check if work loss is heavy or not. If the work loss is less than 70, that means it's not heavy. I will ask continue to skip printing it. Let's see the result. Now the output just print work loss of 3 days. That means Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. Because work loss of DJ is more than 70. Yeah, that's all of today. Next lesson, we will learn about for L and nested loop. See you next session. Thank you.